chicken cheesesteak using my Kitchen Envy indoor grill and panini press, which is restocking this Friday. Season up your chicken with some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. I'm using the Nice Spice cooking up a bird and garlic and herb seasoning as well. I already have my grill preheated. I am adding my chicken to my grill and I'm going to let it cook for about 15 minutes or until the chicken is well done. Also, what I love about this grill is that it opens 360. So I'm cooking my onions, bell peppers, and mushrooms on one side while my chicken is cooking as well. And yes, the grill keeps your chicken nice and juicy because we do not want no dry chicken. Do y'all see how bomb that looks? Quick and easy meal and also a quick and easy cleanup. Now I'm going to spray a little bit of cooking spray on my pan. I'm going to add the chicken and I'm also going to toast my bun because I need my bun extra toasted. I am using some mozzarella cheese and provolone cheese, and I'm going to cook this until the cheese is melted. Y'all can't tell me that do not looks bomb. The grill restocks on Friday at 8 a.m. Sign up for the mailing list if you want to have early access because y'all know this grill has been sold out for so long. But I love this. You can use any type of meat you want. You can do this with chicken, steak, beef, whatever you like. But quick and easy chicken Philly or chicken cheesesteak.